Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and today I'm really excited. You know why? Because I need your help. You see, I've been making guitar building content videos and tips for a while now, and I want to make sure I'm giving you the content that you really want to see. So I got some questions for you. So here's the deal. I've been thinking about all the different aspects of guitar building, and there's a lot of things to cover. So I want to know from you, what things are you interested in? What things are going to help you? Is it going to be selecting wood, carving a neck, doing repairs? Are you a beginning guitar builder? Are you advanced? Or maybe you're a guitarist that plays classical guitar and want to know more about my guitars or about the classical guitar in general. I've got a few questions for you that'll help guide the content that I make next. You can answer them in the comments down below, and I'll use your suggestions for future videos. So would you prefer more beginning guitar building tutorials, or would you like some more advanced techniques like maybe on bracing, wood selection, voicing? Or should I dive more into guitar repairs or how to customize your sound? Or any specific parts or guitar making processes that you'd like me to explore more about? Maybe like neck carving or guitar finishing. Your feedback is really important to me, so please, in the comments down below, put down whatever it is that you're interested in, and I'll be sure to put something in upcoming content for you. And if you're new here, remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of the upcoming content. Also, I want to thank all of those that have been with me for a while, or even if you're new and have sent a super thanks. That helps financially support the channel. Any amount is welcome. I really appreciate it. Hey, I can't wait to see what it is you want to learn next. Thanks for being a part of this community. For this content, I'm building fine classical guitars, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.